Let's make the hot buttered rum recipe from the 12 bottle bar. To make this drink, we are going to start with our spiced butter. And this recipe I got from the 12 bottle bar as well. We want 2 tablespoons of it. 2 tablespoons is 1 ounce or 30 milliliters. Next, we're going to put in 2 ounces of our amber rum. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. I'm going to give this a couple quick stirs to help break up some of that sugar. Next, we want to get our hot water boiling hot. And note I am using a tempered glass. You can use a mug instead if you'd like. Boiling hot water, I'll be right back. Hot pot in hand, I'm going to add this to glass. Note the recipe does say 4 ounces, so if you want to measure it out, go ahead and do that. I'm not going to. I'm going to set this aside. Now I'm going to stir this until everything dissolves. Finally, the garnish. And the garnish is a pat of butter. My butter doesn't come in pats, it comes in sticks. I had to think about that for a moment. So I'm just going to cut off a little bit, and I'm going to float it on top. If it floats, okay, float it on top. I thought it was going to sink for a moment. And there you have it. Hot buttered rum from the 12 bottle bar. Drink with good spirits.